It is absolutely brilliant to be back.
I feel like the best thing has ever happened to me.
It feels good to see all the people you were training with before. Most of the people here, like a family.
It's brilliant.
It was spacious.
I'm really happy with how they space everything out and there's wipes for every corner.
The boxes as well, it's allocated in loads of different places so that you know that to keep social distance.
You don't have to queue for equipment as well, which is really good.
This time more now than ever, it's so important for people's mental health as well as physical to get back in and get their bodies moving again.
If you're nervous about coming back to PureGym, come back. Everything is perfectly maintained. You will be well looked after.
Speak to the members of staff because they're really good and really helpful.
It's paid off because I feel safe in this gym.
I felt very positive about it. I really appreciate all the work that's been going on.
I find it a safe place to train, and it's good fun too.